Okay, good morning everyone.
Good morning, Teacher Shai.
How are you today?
Okay.
It's nice to hear. But before we start, let me check your attendance first. Group 1 is absent.
Dishan and Dixie.
Okay. How about group 2?
Rizal and Lorraine.
Okay, and group 3? Okay, very good. I'm glad that most of you are present. So, but before that, let me ask you first about our classroom rules. When I say rule number 1,
Be quiet.
rule number 2,
Sit properly.
rule number 3,
Arrange your chairs and pick up the pieces of trashes.
okay. I'm happy that you still remember our classroom rules. Now, I have a question for you. Have you noticed how the moon changes every night?
Yes.
Ha? Napapansin ba niyo kada gabi iba-iba ang shape kanatong moon? Diba? May ada danay buo hiya, danay liwat, may ada hafla. Diba? Iba-iba talaga it. Gusto na aton moon. It's because moon have different phases. Baka di rin permi-permi niya phases. Now, I will show you some pictures. 8 pictures.
Hindi parang daw ko. Uy, ayun, hindi nakadi. Uy! Awalan? Shine.
So, what do you observe on the pictures? Diba? There are different phases of the moon. So, are you familiar with these phases?
Yes.
Maybe some of you already know these phases. Now, I want you to get your biscuit I asked you to bring and the groupings we had. So, you will now go to your group. Okay, this will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. So, using the Oreo biscuit, I want you to make different phases of the moon. And each group will choose a representative to share what shape or what phase of the moon they made. Understood? Oh, so you will go to your group. Later we will discuss which is new moon or what are the names of each phase of the moon. Okay, for now, go to your group, create different phases of the moon. Then, I will ask one representative for each group to explain or to tell me what phase of the moon it is. If you have no worries, no pressure, because I know that some of you still don't know, but as far as I know, some of you still remember the phases of the moon based on their, maybe they have watched videos or they have background knowledge about the phases of the moon. Now, group 1, you may now go to your group. Okay, I'll give you a piece of pen paper where you can say group 1 is you put your yes. Oh, it's okay. You don't have to. You can make 6 phases of the moon. Then identify what face you had made.
What?
Then using the white feeling, you create. You can make a circle together with your group to exchange or brainstorm ideas. Pwede kaya magka-cover lang niyo ang top. Ano yan sa kakuming nga niyo. Pwede ka-cover lang niyo ang white para makakreate kang pwede man i-cover lang niyo ang top. Pwede na niyo try na may pag-ibig sa perfect. I'll just give you 10 minutes. After 10 minutes to finish the activity. This will serve as your guide. That's your I don't need to write. I will ask one representative to identify what.
First
Done? If you're done, you will now go back to your seats. Just choose one representative. Go back to your seats. Go back to your Roll number 1. Roll number 2.
Sit properly.
Wait, group 1, are you done? No, it's okay. Ikaw lang. What you have made lang. Sige, who is your representative? Who is your representative? Group 1. Okay, you're just going to identify what face of the moon and how many faces of the moon you have to make. Okay, say, what's the first, full? That is full moon. Say, how about number? It's okay if you don't get it right. Then later on, we will discuss on each faces of the moon. Okay, just name, or if you don't know the name, okay, just determine those faces that you knew. Use it. Oh, what is the first position? This is new moon. How about the second? Ano ko no it? New moon. Wala nila gintanggal. Kung baga wala nila labti. New moon hiya. The second one is? This is kono waxing crescent. Ano yung half or? Bagat. Opo, ans. How about this one? This is first quarter. This one, full moon. Alon turuan? Full moon. This is last quarter. Puno. This one? Raining. So now you have made the different phases of the moon using the Oreo. So now we will discuss each phases for you to understand kung ano pa talaga image each phases of the moon. Nakakaintindi? It's okay if some of you still doesn't know these phases, guys. That's why we will discuss for you to be able to understand and identify what phase of the moon is being presented or kung ano nga image ito yung nakikita kada gabi at night. Okay. You may now eat the Oreo cookies. Now I will share a PowerPoint presentation. We have discussed in our previous discussion about the weather disturbances, about the cyclones, the classification of cyclones, then how to determine the strength of a typhoon using the public storm warning signals. But did you know that there are other factors that affect the typhoon or our weather, Did you know that there are other factors na nakakapekto kay nag-iiba-iba yung atong weather or nakakapekto atong panahon? Yes, there is. And the moon can affect it atong weather. When the moon is higher than the sky, it creates a bulges wherein nakakaapekto amount it rainfall nga naturo or napatak. So now we will discuss about the different phases of the moon. Okay, what is moon to know? Alija, can you please read what is moon?
Moon is the only natural satellite of the earth.
Moon to know is the only natural satellite of the earth. But when we say satellite, it is the, pakibasa daw, thunder.
Satellite is an object that revolves around a larger object.
Satellite, there are different satellites at outer space. Kumbaga, satellite is a man-made, mga machine nga gibubutan adto outer space para pag-determine, kumbaga, para ma-overview ang mga pangyayari nga di aton Earth. But moon is the only natural satellite Earth have. Kumbaga, diri hindi yung tao, daan ay nga ada. Diri pa sa mga satellite, para pag-determine kung may ada bagyo, pag-determine kung may mga meteorites na maaabot, moon daan ay nga to. Kumbaga, diri yung binutang nato na so let's continue. The moon does not produce its own light. It only reflects the light coming from the sun. Since the moon is revolving around the earth, the amount of light it reflects from the sun varies as it changes its position. So it moon kaya diri ang iya, wala niya sarili nga light. Kumbaga, ang light na tika nga sun, asya na-reflect pa kada hamon asya kat may alam kita nakikita nga lambarag. Kumbaga, diri ito niya sarili nga laga. Kung waray sun, waray maglagaan moon. Asya ito nga pag-revolve ni earth, ay nakubot naman ito han earth nga han sun. So, paglibot han earth, nag-iibaliwatan laga. Ito pa natatabunan niya. Kasi ito nga, paibay-bait, pusturahit, moon. Diriya permi. The moon's appearance changes from time to time. It is because the lighted portion of the moon changes as it moves around the earth. This obvious change in the appearance of the moon is known as the phases of the moon. So, ang paigayta nga posturan moon, gintatawag natin nga
Phases of the
moon. Now, these are the phases of the moon. We have
new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, third quarter, waning crescent.
So it says there that the moon has 8 phases, 4 primary phases and 4 intermediate phases. The moon goes these 8 phases in 29.5 days. The period it takes for the moon to complete the phases is called month. Kumbaga, kasunod na usa ka bulan, hindi na nagbabag-o-baguan phases of the moon. Meron kung ka 4 primary. Ang 4 primary, asya niraan, new moon, waxing quarter, third quarter, naging
Full moon.
asya nira naton, mga ano natin tira? Mga primary phases. What are the intermediate phases nila? Asya niraan?
Waxing crescent, waxing gibbous, waning gibbous, waning crescent.
Asya nila mga intermediate na nga phases. Kumbaga. Okay, the first phase is the
New moon.
Ano man ko ng new moon? Sige daw, pakibasa. Aryan Kim, what is new moon?
The moon is between the earth and the sun. So it is not visible from earth.
New moon ko no is between the earth and the sun. So it is not visible from the earth. Kung baga siya yung postura new moon, diri hiya na higitan, waray hiya laga, kung baga natatabunan hiya. So this one. This is the new moon. Yung kung makita niyo, di ba, may times kapag masirumit aton, gabi kay new moon, kumbaga, waray light na aton moon. Waray light ka na reflect from the sun. Kumbaga, masirum. Then, pag new moon, kumbaga, mas nakikita natin ang stars. Kaya kumbaga, pag may na kasi moon, bagat na-outshine niya or diri nakakasian lang ang mga stars. Pero pag new moon, waray light ang moon, ang mga stars, nakikita natin ang nira, mag-aga. So next is
Waxing crescent.
Again, ano man yung waxing crescent? Pakibasa daw, Mariel. Oh, waxing crescent kuno is a small curve. Silver of the moon is visible on the right side. Kung mga hindi niya ka right, ang kuti lang iya nga nakikitaan. Kung baguti lang ang portionan mo, ha? Right side ang ato nakikitaan. Nakakita na ba ka mo waxing present? Kagabi, nag-observe ka mo kagabi? Ano ang face mo nga itong kagabi? Waxing? Wala pa ka-observe dyan? Waxing, present, and next. How about the next phrase? Ano liwat niya? Quarter. Ano man liwat ko ng first quarter? Sige daw, pakibasa, Krista. What is first quarter?
Half of the moon is illuminated in front, half of the moon.
Oh, and first quarter, and right side ng moon and illuminated. Kumbaga, natin ang tuo nga side na siyaan, mga nato nakikitaan. Ang halip, kumbaga waray dark area. O siya ito ang first quarter. Sino? Hino man lang na nakakita na ang kuhan? First quarter nga face ang moon. Diba? Kumbaga, diri masirong, diri luat duro ka, lamrada naton. Ay, kumbaga half lang niya. Waxing,
Jibas.
sige, ano man liwat ko nung it? Ngayon, pakibasa daw, Aizel.
More than half of the moon is visible as it continues to grow.
Oh. Kumbaga, half liwatan, kumbaga urog na, half, kumbaga di. Kumbaga din guti ay pala, iya din durda ko na. Ang right side na riyan, guti lang nakikitaan, ang diri illuminated. Ang right side ang mga diri na iya, illuminated. Tala yun. Ang waxing present, ang right side lang na yan, guti nga, laga. Pero pag raining jibos, right side niyan, buti ay laan, diri na, kikitan, o ang part ng aton moon. So next is,
Full moon.
ano ba yung full moon? Say daw, Angela. Oh, fully illuminated. Kumbaga, bukuan mo nga aton na kikitaan. Kumbaga, di dapat malamrag talaga gabi. Naglalamrag kay full moon or an moon is fully illuminated. Kung ang new moon, waray talaga laga. Kung ba nagsisisiro, pag full moon liwat, malamrag ang langit. So next is
Raining Jibas.
sige, who will read? Sige, Princess.
The moon starts shrinking with that half still visible.
Half is still visible. Kumbaga, dingding. Nakikita ng tayo. Buti ay layit. Ay na, man. Next na, third quarter, pakibasa daw, Princess. Anong third quarter?
Half of the moon is illuminated.
Oh. Yes.
Left half in the northern hemisphere.
And there's a malfunction. Okay. Third quarter, kung ang aton first quarter, ang right side hand mo na illuminated, ang aton liwat third quarter, ang left side ang illuminated. Kumbaga ang left side liwat ang may ada light. See that difference? Pag first quarter, ang light, adi ha, left side. Pag third quarter, ang light, adi ha, left. Kumbaga natutunga, iya. So next is, what is waning present? %. Pakibasa daw. taniyalaga ha? So, pag ang waxing crescent taniyalaga, di may right side, and winning crescent liwan taniyalaga isa di may left side. And the last phrase is winning ano man daw karon? Last one na to. Sige daw, pakibasa daw, Rixin. The moon starts shrinking with one half still visible. So, unwaxing Jivas liwat, more than half the moon is visible as it continues to grow. So, these are difference hand waning and waxing Jivas. Pag unwaning, ang iyalaga adi may right side. Nga bagat sobra iya nga tunga. May adali ang butihay nga portion, kumbaga 1/8 nga portion, ang waray light. Pero ang waxing Jivas liwat, adi may left side and waray laga. Kumbaga ang 1/8 left side and moon is diri visible or diriya illuminated. So what are the different phases of the moon? Sige daw everyone, ano siyahan?
New moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, full moon, waning crescent, third quarter, waning Jivas, waxing Jivas.
Pero ang iya, sequence, nag-i-start kita ha? New moon. Next is
Waxing crescent,
sunod.
first quarter,
Next is
waxing Jivas.
okay. 1, 2, 3. Isuot niyo kanina para makita niyo ang iya difference ang waxing and waning. 4. Sunod is full moon. Next is waxing. Liwatan 5, 6, 7, and 8. Waxing third quarter. What do you mean? Waxing before? Dito ka. Muna na yan, waning Jivas. Kandidi, nagpapagyo. Puro nga kita na na, right side. Waxing Jivas kanan. So, this term kasi, based on what I have to research on the proper pronunciation, it is pronounced as Gibos. From what I have researched. But you can also do your research on how it's being pronounced.
Gibos and Jibos.
There are different, siguro it depends ha, kung ano yung type of English. There are different types of English kasi. So, this is the sequence or of the phases of the moon. So, first, nag-start niya ha?
New moon,
Next, Okay, so you now can differentiate or identify the different phases of the moon. So now, to test if you really understand our lesson, I prepared an activity for you. For group 1, all you have to do is put a or determine the phases of the moon. Tapos you can add a short description. That's what you are going to do. Kakaintindi group 1. And for group, sila you will now go back at iyo kung ano seats talaga. Original seats. This is for group 1. And for group 2, your activity will be I'll transfer this one na lang ha, other side. Yes. Half, 1.5 na lang siguro. 1/2 crosswise. For group 2, this will be your activity. No need na to. Yes. Oh yes. You can draw. Ako nalagyan niya na 1/2 crosswise. This will be your reference or your guide. Ano yung ability you answer? Or if you do Say group 1 first, what you will do is determine or identify what phase of the moon is being shown ha picture. Oh, ito, you will just put a label kumbaga. What phase of the moon yung ipapakita. For group 2, you will please read down everyone group 2.
Draw the 8 phases of the moon in the circles provided.
You will draw these pictures or these images above will serve as your reference or your guide. For example, in first quarter, ano makita ko nga nila first quarter na ito drawing nila circle. For group 3, you will makibasa daw.
Match the picture in column A with the description in column B.
Oh, igmamatch na niyo ang picture kung ano yan. Full moon ba yan, new moon, waxing, waning, third quarter, or ano, di mapili lang ka mo, makakaintindi. Sa group 1, you will also add a very short description lang for each one, for each phase of the moon. Tuti lang nga ba iya, kung ano iya, pag-describe ba iya. This will be your na pwede lang mo yun.
Ano man dito? Ano na bisa?
I will just give you 10 minutes to do the activity. paper. Ay, ba mo ka ba nakakakay? One line. Pero niya, pag sa inyo pass your paper, i-pass na niyo. Ha? Bata mo. Very nice. This will only serve as your reference or guide niyo. So, sa first quarter, mapili ka mo daw. Kita mo yung first quarter. Para pag-drawing niyo. Ngunit, identify lang po Group 3, ito yung group 3 nila. Matching tie. Kumbaga, for example, ano naman niya, pamimig na niyo kung ang nga facing po na niya, column 3. So I will give you 10 minutes and you only have 7 minutes left. Roll number 1. Okay, done? Okay, pass your paper to the front. Now pass your paper to the front. Kada group. By group it pag-collect. Okay na. Pass your paper to the front. Group 3, what's the noise all about? Pass to the Okay, pass to the Now, for your test, okay, roll number 1. Okay, for your next activity, is you have to read the direction. Pakibasa daw ang direction.
Identify what face of the moon is shown in the picture. Choose your answer from the box.
Kikita niyo kung ano nga face, mo ulit ipapakita. Ang mapili What's the noise? Group 3. Go back. Dan? Tapos na? Para sa answer. Tapos na? Group 1, dan na mga tapos na lahat? How about group 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Tapos na lahat? What's your favorite restaurant? How about group 3? Tapos na lahat? Okay, you will now pass your paper. Group 2, tapos na lahat? Group 1. Ana? Okay. Okay. Phases of the moon doesn't just teach us about the different phases. We can also, it also helps us, kumbaga, our life is just like the phases of the moon. Kumbaga, our life is not always the same. We must learn how to adapt with changes. Kumbaga, kaya si moon, we're not always adaha full moon. Kumbaga, diri nga tanan malagrag para aton. Kuha diri always masayon ang buhay para aton. We also sometimes say nga kita ha, new moon. Kumbaga, we lose hope. Kumbaga, nawawarayan kita pag-asa. Nag-struggle kita. We face many challenges. Pero, just like it new moon, na bahimgyan kita another facet moon. Na-start kita, mariawak sa inyo sa ha, maging full moon kita, otro. So, just like it phases of the moon, di-determine situation natin. Maagi na ito. Nakakaintindi? Have patience, kumbaga, until from new moon, may kita full moon wherein we are illuminated, fully illuminated, kumbaga, ma-shine talaga kita. Let's just wait for your turn to shine. Same panera, failing once, failing twice, or failing thrice doesn't mean you'll fail for the rest of your lifetime. Nakakaintindi?
Apa.
Wala na Kiana? Okay, that's all for today.